Machitana, Mahrotmane, no Aussie. The best stories of the week. Rhulani Mokwena had his enemies, he had his haters, but ngoku amachitamanins love Rhulani Mokwena after this moment. A deep respect shown to Pitso Mosimane, the great Pitso. In case Kamuzithole, Rhulani Mokwena was linked with a high-profile job, ucoacha Zamalek Egyptian Giants Egypt. Similar reports linked the great Pitso Mosimane with the same club as Zamalek. Rhulani Mokwena on live TV, Soccer Africa. Ewabuzwa umjita ba Mokwena, is it true Zamalek yakufuna, and are you willing to go to Zamalek? What is happening with those reports? Mokwena explained ba yena he pulled out of the job after he found out Pitso Mosimane is also in the running. What he said, the way he explained it, Mokwena made it the story of the week. Mokwena, I didn't hear from Zamalek after I had said I heard that Pitso was also in the running for this position. Mokwena told Soccer Africa, my relationship and my respect for Pitso would not allow me to compete for the same coaching job with him. Yacho abayisejonga yena uyilite kuPitso, akanocompete noPitso for iSpan. And Mokwena continued, it just doesn't sit well with me, so I pulled out. I said I would rather they give it to Pitso. My agent said, but this is a big club. And I said, my respect for Pitso and what he has done for my career wouldn't allow me to do that. So no Rhulani Mokwena for Zamalek. So it's up to Zamalek. Are they going to hire Pitso Mosimane or are they going to go for somebody else? Meanwhile, Rhulani is heavily linked with Orlando Pirates bafethu. Isource enithembileyo iringe izolo ukuthi bayise Rhulani Mokwena is the leading favorite to get the Orlando Pirates job. About a month ago, benenze videos up about the possibility ka Rhulani join Orlando Pirates, which would be like a sensational move. In my personal opinion, Rhulani is the best coach in Africa. And they say a report about Rhulani ngathi uqonde Orlando Pirates inenza ndibaseleke for next season bafethu. For the past 3 seasons, Orlando Pirates have been good enough to win the league, bafethu. They've been the challenging team Sundowns, but it was not enough. So who better than Rhulani, Orlando Pirates, and then he be the guy to challenge Mamelodi Sundowns. Magoyiwe. But in football, nothing is ever official until mayenzeke bafethu. Orlando Pirates, you never know Orlando Pirates. Yabona ngoku strong reports zithi Mokwena is the leading favorite. But Mokwena is a coach that wants what he wants, and he wants izinto mazenze ngendlela umjita afuna ngayo. So cela singalibali support ichannel bafethu nje nishaye ulike apha ezantsi okanye nishaye subscribe. YouTube akafuna abantu ababukela nje funeka bekhona into oyenzayo bhuti. I-80% abantu bayayincanywa le channel bayibukela every week, but kuse umuntu acofa subscribe okanye kuse alike. Bekhona oyenzayo bhuti ungabukeli nje cofa nje into zabelungu man. Watch bafethu. I think mna yona way a danger la deal leyo. Otherwise try deal yona iyahlangana and then kushota i-final details, i-final agreements. The last report endayifundayo before this one, which was like also about a month ago, yandenza ngicifana okay yajonga it's not going to happen. Wenzeka ntoni? What was that? Mokwena kuseke kathiwa ise Mokwena ufuna and the way iyafana nayo umjita kathiwa ise Mokwena he wants his own signings, he wants his own players, and ngezo zikhathi Orlando Pirates had already started to sign new players for next season. So that was like a glitch in the move for Rhulani Mokwena back to Orlando Pirates. And by the way, Rhulani Mokwena also has said the comments in the same show on the same night about returning to Orlando Pirates, and nazo comments zakhe zamhlanganisa Orlando Pirates. Rhulani again yawabuzwa question grand and then naye waphendula grand. Yawabuzwa kuSoccer Africa base Rhulani, would you consider rejoining Orlando Pirates? Rhulani wathi, of course I would consider joining Orlando Pirates. Of course I would. It's a big club. It's still got people that are very close to me. I am very fond of Dr. Ivan Khoza. Very fond. And he will always have a special place in my heart. Rhulani kutsho bafethu, I don't think so ngaseyazi bayisethi uthini ufond. Mara sewufond nampela ndimazi la later on in my long relationship with the English. Ufond basically kusela uthando olunzulu. And then the official definition is that having an affection or liking for. So Excel Rhulani to Orlando Pirates bafethu is like a very high possibility. So yonke le ndaba ngoku says it's going to be made or broken by in negotiations. But Mokwena, what is willing to compromise and accept? Orlando Pirates nayo, what are they willing to compromise and accept? And then ngelo hlobo izohlangana i-deal. Hayi kabi kusena ndiyayazi but say zikhona i-groups zabantu apha phandle abangamfuniyo fuck all uRhulani, abamfile amajita amandi akho amajita abafethu endiwaziyo basele out uRhulani awanasikhathi uba okay uRhulani is a top coach. Qha umjita abamki abamfuni tu uRhulani amajita amaninzi endiwaziyo, but at the same time uRhulani wazi top fans zakhe asikisi amajita amfuni uRhulani. Mna abafethu kuse uRhulani benimfuna Orlando Pirates okanye Kaizer Chiefs angayi Sundowns because kuse umjita world class and kuse nguye kuse une ability for me to challenge Sundowns, and kuse umjita une point to prove. Indlela Sundowns yamchitha ngayo uRhulani ayikho grand and akho way ibaselayo and kuse exciting njenge-player in a point to prove okanye in this case i-coach in a point to prove. Another top story bafethu endiyifilileyo this week ngoma story si-grand i-Kaizer Chiefs management yenze iway e-grand amajita asupporter u-Ashley Dupree eStellenbosch. Umjita, his father died in the past 2 weeks I think, but the funeral was last weekend. And except Kaizer Chiefs unexpectedly, I didn't expect that ngafethu. Kaizer Chiefs i-management yakhona made their way to Western Cape to Stellenbosch emngcwabeni itime kamjita. In this video bafethu, this video is about uRhulani Mokoena showing the utmost deep respect for igrotmani yakhe uPitso Mosimane, i-mentor, i-career creator, i-career maker yakhe uPitso Mosimane in this video. At the same time uRhulani Mokoena to Orlando Pirates jonga ngathi is happening or whence. And then Kaizer Chiefs, one of the stories of the week that I also loved bafethu, Kaizer Chiefs showing his support to itime kaDupree. Kaizer Chiefs showing his support to family kaDupree. Ashley Dupree is like Kaizer Chiefs, his father died, and then Kaizer Chiefs action ends lay around i-loss ka Ashley Dupree. Kaizer Chiefs yaqala ngokukhupha i-statement which is standard, i-protocol abenzayo every time say i-player loses a family member. But we did not expect by Kaizer Chiefs izothatha extra step ihambe eStellenbosch ishow i-commitment ne-care towards i-player yayo. Kaizer Chiefs statement sayo to confirm death. We are saddened to hear about the passing of Abraham Johnson, Ashley Dupree's father. May his memory be a blessing to the family and may they find strength and comfort during this difficult time. Our thoughts and prayers are with Ashley and his loved ones. May his soul rest in peace. And then it's said, breaking news and boyibona ngongoku bafethu khona story esiphumayo manje. Kaizer Chiefs sekusele kancane ngoku ba isayine i-former Orlando Pirates right back uThabiso Monyane. Le move machita sesepanini ngoku Kaizer Chiefs izoba ne right back entsha so Orlando Pirates uThabiso Monyane. Ayicingisa iJimmy Tau lewe. I-team opinion yami Kaizer Chiefs awuthola i-value bafethu. uThabiso una over 70 games at the age of 25 Betway Premiership umjita. Une top level experience. uThabiso, he knows all about playing for a top club. And uThabiso zange waba disciplinary problems Orlando Pirates. And umjita une skill set and ability different to right backs as the Kaizer Chiefs. Ibalekile lo way when you're making a signing, the profile of the player, but the player gives you something different to what you already have. Right backs the Kaizer Chiefs. Number one, Uri Flossler. Uri Flossler is a different type of right back. Umjita is all about the composure and the precision passing, and is very good defensively umjita. But in modern football and lendlela afuna udlala ngayo uNapi system yakhe that is trying to develop, the game model I developed by Kaizer Chiefs requires the full backs as a dynamic. Ulapi most ufuna ne left back umjita shushu, and then right back uyithole ngokufita i-game model yakhe. Siduma aphi ngale way grand. So just a brief description ba uNapi right back ayifunayo injani. So Uri Flossler is a good defender, but he doesn't really give what Unapi wants from a right back. UDylan Solomons unayo i-pace, but is not very good with close control umjita. Akwazi grand ukontrola ibhola in tight areas. Akwazi grand control ibhola in tight spaces under pressure. And that is very important for a right back okanye left back. uThabiso Monyane unalo way Thabiso Monyane uyakwazi ubreaker i-line, ekwazi usuka from i-defense break i-midfield lines. Afike ki-final third umjita ibhola isenyaweni kuyo ngakhange ayiluze. uThabiso Monyane uyakwazi ungena avule kuvaliwe. Eziwe zibalekile ki-modern fullbacks bafethu because most of the time, and lento i-challenge umuntu ofana no-Uri Flossler, most of the time if ubambe ibhola on a right back on your left back, in this case right back, if you have control of the ball in the right back position and then you look up and then your passing lanes are closed, you can't pass to your right winger, you can't pass to your midfielder, and you can't and you can't shift the ball to your number 10 or the strikers. So what do? Ngoku? You need to be able to drive with the ball, break lines, uphume phakathi kwabantu. Very, very importantly, ability bafethu modern football. Uthabiso Munyane unayo lo way. And then a left back, Kaizer Chiefs ifuna left back shushu because of le reason, but ayinayo players la way. Inazi left back is good, but it's as suited for the la way. Happy Mashiana Lovaya, Happy Mashiana. Technically, in terms of your passing and receiving of the ball, ukren, and then in bola yake ikren umchita. But the natural ability, your breaker lines with Ebola, you kuba Ebola, which is very important. Aganayo umchita is not part of his game. Same story with Edmilson Dav, who is rumored to be leaving Kaizer Chiefs. Not a bad left back umchita, but his abilities, his natural game is not suited for the way Napi wants to play. And hence, again, a report over the past week is 10 Noni, Kaizer Chiefs, linked with another former Orlando Pirates fullback. Banlo ucomputer langeke, kubanlo ucomputer upaseka mako. And naye game yakhe umchita isuta modern fullback. Umchita ungena phakathi kwabantu nebhola. So nazo i-top stories afandakho bafethu. Ngicela ningalibali support channel, ushaye u-like okanye if eqala ukubana channel ungalahli ngophosa uwezi grand, ushaye subscribe. Much bafethu.